She's been knocking out obstacles right from the start of her career, an outsider who's made it right to the top of the rung today. When a person comes to you and said, Priyanka, I want to be you, is that the most fulfilling statement?
It's damn scary. You know, I have so many girls that come up to me and tell me that, and I don't know if I'm the right kind of role model. I feel a sense of responsibility, and then I suddenly think, my God, मैं इतनी सारी गलत चीजें करती हूँ. How is it? How am I suddenly a role model for so many people? But I think, you know, you don't have to be extraordinary. It's ordinary people who become role models, because each one of us is ordinary, and you know, you find something that moves you, touches you, and inspires you, and that makes you extraordinary. Each one of us fights a silent battle. Like for me, I do in so many of the things that I do, but because I'm a movie star, it's usually easily overlooked, because, you know, it's surrounded by a lot of glam and of course all the bullets that come our way because we happen to be movie stars. But I know so many people who normal simple things to change society, change the world around them. And for me, Mary Kom was that. So I think I was a lot more overwhelmed, because Mary Kom for me has been a battle. This film was a very, very small film about a girl that not too many people knew at all that time. And it was a small budget, and we fought through a lot of issues to be able to complete the film and to mount it. I wanted it to be mounted like a big banner, hero movie. I wanted it to be, the story to be told like that, and for us to be able to do that, we had to do a lot of brand deals, and we are very grateful. So many of the brands, my brands, a few others, which came on board and helped us finish this film and market the movie, and you know, the story got told, and that battle for me, physically, it was so punishing, and then, you know, usually when a female film comes out, it does well over 5 weeks, 6 weeks. It takes for us to make as much money as a boy movie makes in 3 days. I mean, that many people don't watch female films. It takes that long. And I really wanted to change it with this film, because this film had the potential. It's about a youth icon who's relevant today.
But I'm going to come back to the question, to the answer where you said dodging bullets, and that's exactly what I wanted to say. Sometimes when you're a movie star, जब भी आप देखते हैं, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन जैसे कि हम डिस्कस भी कर रहे थे, और आप you don't even want to cry because sometimes उसकी भी एक अलग कहानी होती है. It's difficult for you to show emotions really. People think you're being fake, or you don't mean it. And of course, when you try to interact also online, you will get such nasty comments. You tried to do it, and you actually spoke about it, saying that I was trying to be nice and interact. How do you react to it? Because it is bullets every day, and you don't talk about it, but it's difficult.
Yeah, but it's a price you pay, I guess. When you're changing the world, when you want to change something for yourself, when you want to be an achiever, even if it's changing something in your own life, there's a price that you have to pay for everything, and it's damn hard. Today I wanted to cry, I couldn't, because I knew that there would be a few people who would write about it adversely and say, "Arey yaar, ro diya, kyunki it makes her look good." And it's so easy because movie promotion. It's so easy to judge because we don't say anything, and because you can't, every bullet that comes towards you can't be given an answer back and justifying things. But it is difficult, but I think there's dignity in silence, and you have to be extremely strong when you're in a public space. Excuse me, I come from not at all a film background, and मैंने तो सोचा था everything was about playing dress up, wonderful, beautiful clothes and makeup and hair, and when I join movies, it's a battle every day, and you've got to be very, very strong-willed, I think, which is why there are so few people that actually survive in the movie business, whether it's in India or abroad. So many come and go, but the survivors are the ones who have dignity and maintain themselves as icons. That's why they're looked up to, and I'm so privileged to be a part of that little percentage of people.
Absolutely, and congratulations for that. It takes a lot of courage at the end of the day. Also, I'd like to add, you also are a very secure actor, and security also comes from the fact that you would not think twice before doing a movie which has another heroine in it do a part. I'm sure you'll agree with me, not everybody would do it. They'd like to play the lead and be the only person. Like you I think whether it's Baji Rao now, whether it's Dil Dhadkne Do, I don't think you put that much of importance into what the role is going to be, how long it is, isn't it?
I give a lot of importance to what the role is, but not how long it is.
Or is it a lead or whatever?
A lead is the role that is remembered, and my roles always will be.
So, but isn't it like that? Isn't it? I mean, that security shows, isn't it? Not a lot of people.
I just believe in talent. I think you can't and hard work. Hard work and destiny go hand in hand. And there's no replacement for hard work. No amount of anything can replace working hard and focusing. People will accept all kinds of people if you deliver. And delivering is something that I know how to do. I work really, really hard. It's the one thing I know how to do. And I believe in myself in that. So security, I think, somewhere comes from the fact that there's nothing do or die. And I've told, there's so many young girls that come and talk to me about, I want to be in films and I want to do this and I want to do that. There is no do or die. I had given myself a year and a half when I came into movies. If in a year and a half my films hadn't worked, I would have done something else. There are so many options in our lives. You can grow and evolve into being so many things that you want to do. And if you start thinking like that, then you'll never be insecure.
Is that one of the movies that you're really, really looking forward to also for us?
I'm looking forward to all 3 of my films now. I'm very excited about the 3 films I'm doing next after Maricom. Dil Dhadkne Do for sure. It's a great ensemble. I have an amazing part. It's an incredible director. I love working with Excel. Then of course Sanjay sir. I'm a huge fan of Sanjay Bansali and I have an incredible role in Baji Rao. So I'm very, very excited. Plus I'm working with people that I get along with, my friends. So that's always a good thing.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about ye aisa hai, wo aisa hai. So these are people you get along with.
Yeah.
And then of course my maiden production. I'm excited about becoming a producer. And Madhur, we were just sitting yesterday and taking calls on HODs and actors, and it's really weird to be involved. I mean, though I was with Maricom as well, Sanjay sir and Umang really kept me involved in everything. But as a producer, it's very different.
You plan to splurge as a producer?
Do I?
I plan to splurge as a producer, as in...
I plan to be smart, like we were in Maricom. I think it's important to be smart as a female actor and a female producer.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. It was lovely talking to you, and all the very best. I'm sure it's going to do way more. Thank you. Priyanka Chopra, as fearless and passionate as ever. Rudrani Chatraj with camera person Kailash Soom, Mumbai. Thank you.